The Laura and Rinaldi Pro Bono Lawyer of the Year Award recognizes a lawyer who sets a standard of excellence and achievement in providing legal services to the district's low-income or otherwise disadvantaged individuals or the organizations that serve them. The 2023 Pro Bono Lawyer of the Year is Shelby Rampolo. Perkins Coie associate Shelby A. Rampolo billed an impressive 196 hours of pro bono work in 2022, much of it benefiting the district's immigrants, children, and older population. In the past year, Rampolo represented 9 clients, including an older district resident assaulted by police officers outside his home, and individuals seeking asylum or special immigrant juvenile status after experiencing gang-related or gender-based violence. Her efforts, in coordination with the Capital Area Immigrants' Right Coalition, the Tari Justice Center, and Catholic Charities, have drawn praise from many. Just 3 years out of law school, Rampolo stands out for her significant pro bono contributions.
I am shocked that my peers nominated me, but I feel so grateful for the people that I work for. When I started at Perkins, they immediately allowed me to start doing pro bono work, and ever since then, they've really allowed me to pursue whichever avenue I wanted and how much I wanted, and it's kind of pick your own adventure, and it's been a great opportunity to really grow my pro bono work and do something that I'm so passionate about. If I was somebody struggling, I hope somebody would reach out. I hope someone would help me. And I hope someone would give the same energy to someone who's actually paying. You know, treat others how you want to be treated. And that's exactly what I'm doing here. And I hope that more people do that too.
Congratulations to Shelby Rampolo. The 2023 Pro Bono Law Firm of the Year is Steptoe Johnson. Steptoe Johnson, in collaboration with area nonprofit organizations, continued its longtime commitment to pro bono in 2022. Lawyers in its DC office contributed 19,000 hours to pro bono service, representing 4.8% of billable hours. More than 10,000 hours were devoted to the direct representation of low-income district residents in a wide variety of matters. The firm contributed to efforts ranging from access to justice, housing, juvenile justice, prisoners' rights, immigration, asylum, and human trafficking, to advancing racial equity. Steptoe addressed community needs that were amplified and exacerbated by the pandemic, lending 39 associates to the Legal Aid Society's Domestic Violence Family Law Unit and funding 2 housing law fellows. The firm also continued to run a monthly walk-in clinic for the Washington Legal Clinic for the Homeless and litigated numerous eviction defense cases through its active participation in the Housing Right to Counsel project. Steptoe's attorneys were among the first to participate in the DC Volunteer Lawyers Project's remote TPO clinic during the pandemic, representing survivors of domestic violence seeking temporary protective orders. Steptoe has also worked in partnership with the Legal Counsel for the Elderly, the Veterans Consortium, the Public Defender's Service for the District of Columbia, the DC Bar Pro Bono Center, the Washington Lawyers Committee for Civil Rights and Urban Affairs, AUDA, the Capital Area Immigrants' Rights Coalition, Kids in Need of Defense, and many others.
Steptoe has always been, from its origins, a DC firm, and so to be recognized in Washington for the work that we're doing here in the district, it means a lot. We know that there's a lot of inequality, there is a lot of poverty right in our own backyard, and so we don't have to go far to find the pro bono cases that we do. But it means a lot to give back to those communities and to the organizations that we partner with, so we're very grateful.
And also, I feel like to our firm, it just recognizes everyone. I mean, we're a firm that's committed from, every staff member to the managing partner, to the chair of the firm, to just serving clients, and we've done a lot of that work in DC, so it's a real privilege and honor to be recognized for it.
For Steptoe to be singled out, I think, is in large part due to the efforts of Paul and Harmony, who have been with us for the last 4 years, who have really taken our program, which was wonderful to begin with, taken it to a new level. So I would give a lot of the credit to them and to the attorneys that they've worked with.
Congratulations to Steptoe Johnson.